Hello, Laurie. I think this will be much easy to do, maybe because of our schedule. So I just check in, I think one, two, three, four, five. So what I found out is this case 11127 and 1071 are all the same cases. So consider maybe we can delete this one. I'll show you what I mean by the same. Like when you click on this on the practice, then it takes us to case number 1071 instead of 1127. And for the 1071, so this is the actual video, so we can leave that, and I will go ahead here and say delete this because it's repetitive. Remove this topic. Yes, so for 1079, 581 and 111, I all checked, they are the same, like they are all good to go. So let me show you, like for case 37, when you click, or 377, when you click on the link, then it's gonna open this window. So remember, our case is 377 from here. Then you go to the page that you will find 377. In this case, this is case 377. You will just do attach LTI link. Attach LTI link, and that's it. So if we go back here on the main video, 377, yes, that the case is done. So let's try another one and see. We did 377, then 1018. On 1018, we also look for which one is for 1018. Maybe I think we have to go to second page. We're looking for 1018. 1018 is right here, and you'll just do attach LTI link. So now case 1018 is also done. We go back to the main page, and which one is next? 1305. 1305, I think we go off to page 2. 1305 is right here, attach link. And that's all you will do for, all you have to do for all the cases. I think even mine, I couldn't do much. I think I only did 14, so I will continue to do that. So in this case, you see we have all the way to 1035. Then you can start from 1040. And still, if you want us to like do it at the same time, I will be free anytime you send me a time for a Zoom. We can do that. I will be more than happy to help. Thank you.